Hello, 大家好. Let's read My C Sound Box. Little C had a box. I will find things that begin with my C sound, she said. I will put them into my sound box. Little C was cold. She found some coats. Little C put on a coat. Did she put the other coats into her sound box? She did. Little C found some caps. She put on a cap. Did she put the other caps into her box with the coats? She did. Then little C saw a caterpillar. Before she put the caterpillar into the box, it made a cocoon. So she put the cocoon into her box. Soon little C found a car. She got into the car and went for a drive in the country. She saw a cat. The cat was chasing a canary. Little C caught the cat. She put him into her box. Then she called to the canary. The canary flew into a cage. Little C put the cage and canary into her box. Little C saw a cow and a calf near a field of corn. She put the cow, the calf, and some corn into her box. Then little C drove her car through a desert. She saw a camel and a cactus. She put them into her box. She drove to the end of the road, where she found a castle, a big candy castle. A clown was in the castle door. "Come in," said the clown. Little C got out of the car. She carried the box into the castle. She saw candy canes, cookies, and a cake with candles on it. "You are just in time for my party," said the clown. Little C took off her coat and cap. She lifted the cage with the canary out of the box. She lifted out the cocoon with the caterpillar inside. Then all the other animals came out of the box. They all sat down to a birthday party. The caterpillar did not eat because he was still in the cocoon. Can you read these words with little C? Crown, cotton candy, can, camera, curtain, carrot, cup, comb, cloud, card, crayon, cowboy, calendar, cucumber, cape. In the sound box story, little C has a hard sound, like the sound of the letter K. Little C has a soft sound too. The soft sound is like the sound of the letter S. Read these words with little C and listen for the soft sounds. Circle, centipede, cigar, scent, celery, circus, symbols, cereal, city. Little C can get together with the letter H to make still another sound. Can you read these words with the ch sound? Chalkboard, chalk, chocolate, chimney, cherry, church, chain, chicken, chipmunk. Let's learn some Chinese vocabulary. Coat/coat, 外套，外套，外套。Hat/caps, 帽子，帽子，帽子。Caterpillar/caterpillars, 毛毛虫，毛毛虫，毛毛虫。Cocoon/cocoons, 茧，茧，茧。Car/cars, 汽车，汽车，汽车。Cat/cat, 猫，猫，猫。Canary/canaries, 金丝雀，金丝雀，金丝雀。Cow/cows, 奶牛，奶牛，奶牛。Calf/calf, 牛犊，牛犊，牛犊。Camel/camels, 骆驼，骆驼，骆驼。Castle/castles, 城堡，城堡，城堡。Clown/clowns, 小丑，小丑，小丑。Candy cane/candy canes, 拐杖糖，拐杖糖，拐杖糖。Cake/cakes, 蛋糕，蛋糕，蛋糕。Candle/candles, 蜡烛，蜡烛，蜡烛。Cage/cages, 笼子，笼子，笼子。
外套，帽子，汽车，拐杖糖，城堡，蜡烛，蛋糕，小丑。毛毛虫，茧，牛犊，奶牛，猫，金丝雀，笼子，骆驼。